Hello guys and welcome to this video tutorial. I will share with you how you can connect Google AI Studio with GitHub. So guys, go to Google, search for Google AI Studio and then click the first result. After that, click on this option, the build. When you click the build, click your apps. From there, your apps, you can create your apps from here. You can upload, allow drive access, search any apps from here. For example, this one, just write random one. After that, click create new app. I want to use my app, for example, need a random e-commerce app. After that, click build and then just wait to see your project. So friends, when you see your project here or your apps, just wait. This is my project or my apps, and then you will see my app, and then you will see this GitHub. Click save on GitHub, and then you will redirect it to GitHub, login your accounts from here, and then you will be connected successfully. So friends, just click GitHub icon, and then you will save this project. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.